All right, here we are. So today we are at 19 Gilmore right now, and this beautiful home with 2 bathrooms and 4 bedrooms comes over to the market with a rental tag of $5,450. So we are with mid-century house, hardwood floors. This is the first bedroom. There is plenty of light in here, beautiful views too. We see the second bedroom with humongous closet. Now we move forward. We see another little closet right here. As we go into the beautiful home, we see a living room with fireplace. Look at those views, $1 million views. We're seeing to the south of the city. Now we go into what is the dining room. Then to a beautiful, beautiful white kitchen. So we have dishwasher, we have oven, microwave, nice stove, refrigerator, and a little kitchenette with a place where to put plants downstairs. And now we move. There's plenty of cabinetry, as you can see. So we go and see another closet. And now we move inside the downstairs area. So this unit comes over with garage too. Look at that beautiful fireplace. Did not see these in years. We have a nice deck, and we keep moving in. A little bar right here, which is a great addition. And now we have another bedroom, which is the master bedroom. So we've seen here closets, and let's go and see. Definitely a unit that you need to see. Just contact me 415-312-5017 for a showing of this gorgeous place. Look at, there is another closet right there. And now we go through the place and see the garage. And to see it once again, or what you need to do is to contact your usual suspect, Gustavo Lopez, 415-312-5017 for a showing of this gorgeous place. Thank you so much for your attention. Have a good day.